What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the wildest channel on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for joining me today to watch this Easter extravaganza with my precious puppies. So King Saturn, my beautiful baby boy, he will be in today's video. He is 4 months old, and we are also going to be meeting up with my friend Kenneth. I did a video with him in the past with Zaza and his puppy Gigi. If you guys haven't seen that one, make sure that you go back and check it out. Also, go over to Kenneth's channel, give him a subscribe, and if you're not already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all of my subscribers and everyone who tunes in to watch my videos. It means so much to me to have all of your support, and I love being able to keep making videos for you guys. So today I'm going to take my precious puppy Saturn to the pet store. First, we're going to pick out some little treats that we can put inside of these Easter eggs for our Easter egg hunt. So I did an Easter egg hunt last year with Sagriva the chimpanzee, but this year we're gonna switch it up and we're gonna have some puppy fun. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys wanna see in some upcoming videos, and stay tuned. I will see you guys at the pet store. Happy Easter! And here's the baby boy himself, Mr. Green Eyes. Hi, green eye baby. Saturn has a gooseneck back there, a raw gooseneck that he is chewing on from Raw Feeding Miami, and he absolutely loves it, huh, buddy? Okay, you guys, off to the pet store. Baba! Oh. My Baba! Saturn! Where are you going? Wanna go in the store, Bubba? Wanna go in the pet store and go find some treats? Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Saturn, who's walking you? Come on, buddy. Your Uncle Kenneth's walking you? I'm coming, Bubba. I'm coming. Good boy. Good boy. Recording? Yeah. Okay. What is up, you guys? I'm here with the baby and my special guest.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Big Capo Slime. Back at it again. Today we got something special for y'all.
These little plastic Easter eggs. Well, we took all the candy out of them, and now we're gonna put treats in them. I brought some of Zaza and some of Saturn's favorite treats over here, and baby Gigi is also here. So we're just gonna fill these Easter eggs up and then go hide them and see how well the puppies can find them.
Yeah, so she got some really organic treats for them. She got some allergy treats since there's a lot of pollen. She got some freezer dried chicken, training treats. And we got some lamb. The puppies love lamb. So make sure y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Big Capo Slime. And we with Tawny, Gigi, and Saturn. And we got the egg hunt challenge today.
You eating all the treats right now? Stay tuned, y'all.
Alright, in this bush. There is an egg right there. Okay. There is one down there as well. I'm not walking down there though. I might fall in. I got bad balance. We got a shit one right here. This one in the little hole. Little green one right there. I don't know where the last one. Right here. Let's go back up there and get it off.
Bye-bye.
Are you ready to go Easter egg hunting? Are you ready? Mwah! You ready? Yes, ma'am. Who's gonna find the most? Who's gonna find the most? I think Saturn's gonna find the most. He's got a good snoot. You got a good snoot? Come on. Come on, bud. We found one. Look. Saturn, look, there's treats inside. Saturn! Yes. Eat it. Good boy. Okay.
He don't want to do the work.
Like at all. He doesn't want to eat the treats out, find the eggs. Come on. Okay, we found 2 eggs.
Oh, they got 2. We sitting on ball. Look at them.
Ooh! Saturn, come with me. I got 3.
She did.
Get it. Get it from me. You're standing right on it.
Where's the egg?
Y'all can't have this one.
I can name probably about like 4 y'all don't want past.
Number 4. Also, we passed them.
It's okay. Can go back around and look at them.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. We gotta beat them. Come on. I'm about to steal an egg from you.
Didi knows that there's treats in there, so she's trying to open them.
Yum. Yum. Good boy. 5.
Oh, see one. That's a good one right
No!
there. That is a good one.
No!
She sees it.
Okay, I found another one. Saturn's not any help. But I can't eat the treats, so. Good boy. What is that, number 6?
She's so smart. Good job.
Tell her, find another one for you.
Your eyes like a hawk.
Eyes like a hawk.
Sure you do.
You just gave it!
Got it. She got it. In her mouth. It's in her mouth.
Yeah, we found the frozen. We found 27.
You still recording? 27? No, you're not. I think only 24 of them. No way she found that. He probably only has about 4 guys.
Cap.
We found another one. Look. While she was over there playing, we found another one.
Sick of him. They call him Big Capo Slime because he cap a lot. Give me that egg. Give me that egg.
Oh man, y'all giving them all away.
I wasn't even thinking though.
Nah, I saw the PVC
I
pipe.
looked in at the PVC pipe.
Look at Saturn, run away dog. Look at Saturn. Saturn's gone.
Saturn!
This isn't even the right place.
He's trying to go back in the house.
Saturn!
He said, I'm tired. He said, he said,
Saturn!
over.
Saturn's gone.
Let's go!
Oh, he's about to
We
fall.
got another egg. Look. We got another egg. Got the good treats.
Ooh.
Oh, she found it.
28. This was supposed to be a puppy hunt. You know, the dogs were supposed to be finding the eggs, but so far, I've definitely found all of them for Saturn.
Yeah, you know sound.
I say it, I see it! Come quick,
go.
come quick, come
Come on,
quick, come
Gigi.
quick, come quick,
Come on, Gigi.
come quick, come quick. Ooh! 29. You did not find those. I found those.
Go get him, Gigi. Take them away.
Here. Yummy. Gigi eating all hers, so ooh, you got a little allergy bite. It's a piece of chicken right there.
Little allergy bite.
A little allergy bite. Come on. Found it. Can you please find one yourself? Can you please find one?
Not even one.
At all. Stop saying, oh look, Gigi.
Found it.
No. We're on 30 now, so. She's so smart.
Show him you can open it. And then she eats the treats in the inside.
She's so smart.
She is so smart. Good job, girl. Like, she's a beast. She's a beast at opening them.
Are you jealous? You don't care.
Here we go. I
Look,
think I got one
look.
more for you.
We stole one of Gigi's.
She knows how to open them.
That's crazy.
That's awesome.
Alright.
So
Look, you found one. Gigi. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing Saturn and his friend Gigi go on their little Easter egg hunt. Saturn did not try very hard, but he still found 11 eggs. Miss Gigi found 15. Be sure to go on over to Kenneth's channel. I'm gonna drop his link right here. Go give him a follow, follow me. Stay tuned for the next video. Be safe out there, stay safe, and stay wild. Bye.